Pranam. Pranam, this is Rita Pathak from Bombay. I have come all the way from Bombay to Sancheti Hospital in Pune because, in my view, and especially after the care and after I'm alright, I would call Sancheti Hospital a Mukti Dham for any knee ailment. At least for knee replacement, this is the ultimate. I think the pain that I had physically has vanished completely. The only pain that I will go with is the pain of parting from this place. It's become a family. The coordinated affair, the coordinated care, the loving bond, and 24/7, every member of the staff loves you and serves you without a frown. This is something beyond my expectation because I have been to so many hospitals to look after other people, not for myself ever. This is my first hospitalization. But I have never found this family kind of a relationship between the doctors, between the staff members, even the maintenance staff. They come and they serve you in a split second. Everything is set right for you. And medicine, of course, doctor's care, of course, specialization, of course, but the love, the care, the soft touch of everybody, every doctor is a very important thing. There is one main thing that I want to say about Sancheti Hospital and Dr. Sancheti in proper is the morning evening visit that he does, which is absolutely a no-no in any other hospital. Once a doctor has done his treatment or whatever you call it, whatever his job is done, once he's done the procedure, he vanishes and maybe number 2, number 3, number 4 and XYZ come. But that personal touch of the doctor who has cured you, who has healed you, who knows what is inside and what is expected outside is just wonderful. I think Dr. Sancheti is Divyata in one day. You can say Divyata personified. I respect him and worship him. I will never be able to thank him enough. Whenever I walk painlessly, I will remember Sancheti. The coordination between the staff members from top to bottom is something that has to be really mentioned and praised. There is no overlapping of services, there is no lapse of services, there is nothing that is absent. It comes one after another as it is supposed to come. And in between the little cell phones, they keep on talking to one another just because they want to give you the very best. It's a real test of a big organization, but I suppose this organization would get 5-star. There's something that I would like to mention about if I were to rate the doctors, every doctor, from the time I came to the OPD for the checkup, from the time they asked me for my other pathology test, from the time they are all visiting me, the relationship between the doctors and between doctor-patient is something that has to be really remarkably noted as very, very good. I'm not only praising because I have to say something good. It is something that is not found everywhere. It is something different and should carry on. I really wish they don't break this practice. A little correction that I have to do, not correction, a suggestion I would say is exhaust fans in the toilets I think are missing and necessary. And if you have a package of 7 days or 14 days, you have relatives staying with you, you have your linen to be dried and washed. You can't make your room look like a dhobi ghat. So you might as well have a drawer line which is outside the window so that the clothes are drying also and the room looks tidy. And there is one other thing that I wanted was, if possible, just a possibility, another peg in the bathroom to hang your clothes, to keep your clothes. These are the only 3 things that I have to say. अदरवाइज द प्रेम का प्रभाव इज सो मच कि फॉर्मेलिटी इधर है ही नहीं. इधर हर पेशेंट को रॉयल्टी मिलता है, फॉर्मेलिटी नाम इधर है ही नहीं. एकदम एकदम प्रभाव और एकदम मेडिसिन और एकदम डॉक्टर्स और ये सब कोऑर्डिनेट करके मेरे को लगता है सबको व्यवस्थित करके ठीक करते हैं. किसी ने मेरे को बोला पेशेंट एक दफ़ा ठीक होता है तो इधर आता ही नहीं बिकॉज इज ऑल राइट, ही डजंट हैव टू सी द डॉक्टर. But it's a compliment to the doctor and the patient doesn't come back. They say if you eat an apple a day, you can keep a doctor away. But if it is Dr. Sancheti and Sancheti Hospital, I'm giving up apples from today. Thank you.